Welcome to the full guide on how to connect Shark Robot to Wi-Fi. Today we dive into the world of smart cleaning, exploring how to make the most of your Shark Robot vacuum cleaner by connecting it to Wi-Fi. While your Shark Robot functions perfectly well without Wi-Fi, connecting it to the network opens up a host of extra features and controls. The SharkClean app, which is a free download from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, is your gateway to these features. Step 1 in our journey is to download and install the SharkClean app on your smartphone. Once you've done that, open the app and create an account if you don't have one already. Remember, the email you register with will be your primary point of contact for any updates or information from Shark. Now let's move to step 2. Turn on your Shark Robot and ensure it's in a Wi-Fi friendly environment, somewhere close to your router where it's not being blocked by thick walls or other Wi-Fi hogging devices. Step 3 is where the magic happens. Open the SharkClean app and tap on the Add a New Device option. The app will then search for your Shark Robot. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on, as the app uses it to initially connect to the vacuum. Once the app finds your Shark Robot, it will ask you to select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Do this and voila, your Shark Robot is now connected to your Wi-Fi. With your Shark Robot now part of your smart home, you can schedule cleanings, adjust the cleaning power, and even access cleaning reports right from your phone. All of this, no matter where you are in the world. But what if you run into trouble? Well, the SharkClean app has you covered there too. It provides troubleshooting tips for Wi-Fi connectivity issues, ensuring your smart cleaning journey is as smooth as possible. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to connect your Shark Robot to Wi-Fi. As you can see, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. But now we want to hear from you. Which step did you find most helpful in your quest to connect your Shark Robot to Wi-Fi? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below.